Let's take our journey through the timeline of human evolution. 55 million years ago, first primitive primates evolve. First gorillas evolve about 8 to 6 million years ago, later from which chimp and human lineages diverged. Oldest human ancestor Oryctolagus, who could walk on two legs, lived about 5.8 million years ago. Ardipithecus, the proto-human, that lived 5.5 million years ago, shared traits with chimps and gorillas, and was forest-dwelling. Australopithecines appeared about 4 million years ago. They had a brain volume of around 400 to 500 cubic centimeters, roughly equal to that of chimpanzee. They were the first human ancestors to live on the savanna. Lucy, famous specimen of Australopithecus afarensis, lived near Hadar, in Ethiopia 3.2 million years ago. About 2.7 million years ago, Paranthropus lived in woods and grasslands, thus developed huge jaws to chew roots and vegetation. Homo habilis appeared 2.5 million years ago. It had less a protruding face than earlier hominids, still retaining many ape features. They had a brain volume of around 600 cubic centimeters and started tool-making technique from stones. Some hominids started eating meat-rich diets. These high-energy foods favored the evolution of larger brains. Evidence of Homo ergaster from Africa is dated back to 2 million years ago. They had a net brain volume of up to 850 cubic centimeters. Homo erectus appeared in Asia about 1.8 to 1.5 million years ago. They were the first true hunter-gatherers, and had a brain size of around 1000 cubic centimeters. Homo heidelbergensis, who had brain capacity similar to that of modern humans, lived in Africa and Europe around 600,000 years ago. Earliest shelter building, like wooden huts, are known from Chichibu, Japan back from 500,000 years ago. Early human began to hunt with spears about 400,000 years ago. Neanderthals appeared 230,000 years and were found from Britain to Iran. They became extinct with the advent of modern humans. Homo sapiens appeared 195,000 years ago. Oldest modern human remains are two skulls found in Ethiopia. Their average brain volume was 1,350 cubic centimeters. Mitochondrial Eve, the direct ancestor or as called mother to all living people today, may have appeared 170,000 years ago in Africa. Between 150 to 50,000 years ago, early humans developed the ability to speak, trade and make jewelry and started the rituals of burying the dead. Homo erectus died out in Asia and were replaced by modern man about 33,000 years ago. Homo floresiensis, hobbit people, found on the Indonesian island of Flores were found 18,000 years ago and were about 1 meter tall. Modern people reached America about 12,000 years ago and had occupied almost the whole world by then.